So you're going to boil your potatoes, start them in cold water and bring them up to a boil, and make sure you salt your water and boil them till they're fork tender. For the sauce for the potato salad, I start with Hellman's chili lime with Tajin. It's a new product that I really like, and you're going to use that as the base along with some whole grain mustard and of course our chimichurri-ish, which is kind of the star here of the potato salad. I ended up using about a quarter to a half a cup. You can always adjust for your liking. I'm going to add in some fresh scallions, some Fresno chilies, and some roasted jalapeno just for a little extra kick. These are totally optional. You could always add some minced celery as well. And for a little more vinegar, I added some red wine vinegar. And then you mix that together and you start slicing your potatoes while they're still warm. I do this because I find that the potatoes absorb more of the dressing when they're still hot. In this way, all that flavor gets into the potatoes. Once you add in all your potatoes to the dressing that you just made, you're going to add in some hard-boiled eggs. This is obviously optional. I just really like a little bit of hard-boiled egg in my potato salad, and then season really well. There is seasoning in the mayo and the chimichurri, but I like to add extra salt and pepper directly to the eggs into the potatoes to make sure those are seasoned individually. Then you're going to fold that in. I like to use a spatula because I feel like using a spoon or anything else sometimes can get a little bit too aggressive, and it can break down the potatoes and the eggs, and it can create a mushy potato salad. If you fold it in gently, this works out the best. You're going to chill this for at least 2 hours and enjoy.